Tugboats and salvage crews are working to free a skyscraper-sized container ship wedged across the Suez Canal in Egypt. The Ever Given got stuck in the major shipping route nearly a week ago, creating a massive traffic jam that is holding up an estimated $9 billion each day in global trade. Hundreds of vessels carrying everything from crude oil to cattle to furniture are waiting to pass through the canal. The obstruction is straining supply chains already burdened by the coronavirus pandemic. Engineers said Monday they partially refloated the ship with the help of tugs, dredgers, and a spring tide. But in order to free the ship, authorities may be forced to remove some of the 20,000 containers on board, which could take days or weeks.